Hey guys, you are watching Random Start LTD, so let's get started. Today I will unbox Android toy special edition. So let's unbox it and let's see with what things it comes. So it is the box. The written WoWheads from Google Android toy. It is mini collectible figure, so you wanna buy for decoration, you can buy this. So here written, can read this. So let's move further. It comes with rubberized stand of it. It can stand although without the rubberized stand, so we didn't need this more. It goes quite good like without rubberized stand. So it is the best buy collectible minifigure, so you should buy. Like, share, comment if you liked my video, and do watch my previous video.